All right. Well, here's my front porch. Well, this is unequivocally the most snow I have ever been a part of in my entire life. And I gotta admit, it's pretty freaking awesome. It's mostly awesome because I'm not shoveling it yet. It will be far less awesome. This gives you an indicator of how much snow we got, guys. Yeah. The winds last night and today reached upwards of 68 miles per hour. That is ridiculous. And it's still snowing. All right, Facebook. I'm going to go have some hot cocoa and play some Xbox. 1.